Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mini Cooper fuel tank. First, locate the fuel flap release button inside your car. This button is typically found near the driver's seat, often on the dashboard or floor. Once you've found it, press the button firmly. You should hear a small click as the fuel filler flap unlatches, preparing it for the next step. Now that the flap is unlatched, you'll notice it's slightly ajar. Gently pull the fuel flap open completely. This will fully expose the fuel cap, allowing you to access it easily. Before you unscrew the cap, quickly check that the surrounding area is clean to prevent any dirt from entering your fuel tank. With the fuel cap exposed, it's time to remove it. Turn the cap counterclockwise to loosen it. You'll feel it release as you turn. Continue rotating until the cap is completely free from the filler neck. Most Mini Coopers have a small tether or a designated holder for the cap, so place it there securely to prevent it from getting lost or damaged. Now you can insert the fuel nozzle and begin refueling your Mini Cooper. Once you're finished, remove the nozzle and replace the fuel cap. Turn it clockwise until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely tightened. Finally, close the fuel flap firmly until it latches. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.